subtract 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4. We have to subtract 3 upon 4 from 5 upon 6. If we want to subtract, so first we have to make their denominator same. So how will you make their denominator same? With the help of LCM. We will find out the LCM of their denominator. First find out the LCM of 6 and 4. Okay. 2 3 are 6, 2 are 4. Now here, now you are in 7th class. Directly I will say you because these are the prime numbers. Okay, here are the prime number, prime number, prime number. Directly you can multiply this number, so you will get the LCM. Here that's why I multiply 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 2. You get to 3 is 6, 2 is 12. So we can write here LCM of 6 and 4 is equal to 12. After getting LCM, we draw one line because we got the common denominator of both the numbers. We can write here, draw a division line, then write 12. So this 12, LCM 12 divided by 6, so you get 2, 2 multiplied by 5, like 5 into 2. So your minus sign, so we have to put minus sign. So this 12 divided by 4, so you get 3. And this numerator 3 multiplied by 3. What we get here? 5 to the 10. We can write here 10 minus 9 minus 3 3 is 9, 9 upon 12, 12. When both numbers having opposite sign, we subtract, we get 1 upon 12. This is your required answer. Now let's see. Here is the big fraction. Before solving it, first we have to change into improper. Okay. So 5 to the 10, 10 for 14. So we can write here 14 upon 5 minus sign. 10 to the 20, 20 plus 3. So what we get at 23 upon 10. And what is the LCM of 5 and 10? The table also I have made you clear. We get 5 and 10, both are coming in the same table. No need to find out the LCM direct, we can get the LCM. What will be the LCM? Greater number will be the LCM. We can write here, their common denominator becomes 10. Now this 10 divided by 5, so you get 2. So 14 multiplied by 2 minus sign. So 10 divided by 10. This 10 divided by 10. So you get 1. 23 multiplied by 1. 14 2 is 28. 23 1 is 23 upon 10. Now you can subtract 23 from 28. So what we get here? 5 upon 10. Now this 5 and 10 can be cancelled by 5. 5 into 5, so we get 10. What is the answer? 1 upon 2. This is your answer. Okay, now we'll solve this question of why studies for 8 whole 1 upon 2 hours daily. Okay, how much time he studied daily? 8 whole 1 upon 2 hours. And he spends 2 whole 1 upon 4 hours for studying science subject. Okay, how much time did he study for the science subject? 2 whole 1 upon 4 hours. And the remaining for other subject. And जो बाकी टाइम बचता है वो काय के लिए स्टडी करने के लिए खर्च करता है वो अदर सब्जेक्ट के लिए. Find how much time he spends for other subject. So in this question we have to find how much time he spent for other subject. Now let's see. We will find out. So first we should write here what we have given total time. How much time he spent? A boy studies for 8 whole 1 upon 2 hours daily. So we can write here the total time is spent for studying. कितना टाइम स्पेंड करता है वो 8 whole 1 upon 2 hours. तो we can write here 8 whole 1 upon 2 hours. This mixed fraction can be converted into improper to adjust 16 1 17. So we can write here 17 upon 2 hours. Is that clear? Now time. He spent 2 whole 1 upon 4 hours for studying science subject. We can write here time is spent for studying science. How much How much time is spent? 2 whole 1 upon 4 hours. So we can write here 2 whole 1 upon 4. This also makes the fraction. We can convert into improper. 4 to the 8, 1, 9. 9 upon 4 hours. Is it clear? Now, what we have to find is remaining time. Remaining time he is spent for other subject. So how will you get the remaining time? So if you subtract time spent for science, subtract from total time from 17 upon 2. This is our total time. We have to subtract 9 upon 4 from 17 upon 2. So we will get the time spent for other subject. So we can write here. So time is spent for studying other subject. How will you get the time? Total time. What is your total time? 17 upon 2 minus time spent for studying science. 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. Now we have to solve it. How will you solve it? So first we have to make their denominator same. And how will you make their denominator same? By taking LCM. In this case, what will the LCM get? 2 and 4 are coming in the same table. The greater number will be our LCM. So we can write here the LCM will be 4. Now this 4 divided by this 2, so you get 2. 17 multiplied by 2 minus sign minus sign. Now this 4 divided by 4 you get 1. 9 multiplied by 1. What we get here? 70 or 34 minus 9 will be 9 upon 4. Now you can subtract. When you subtract 9 from 34, so you get 25 upon 4. This improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. So 4 6 is 24 minus 1 upon 4. So here you can write here, hence time is spent for other subject is 6 whole 1 upon 4 hours. This is our answer. Got it? In this question, Soma gave 3 upon 7 part of pizza to her brother and kept the remaining with her. What fraction of pizza is left with her? In this question, we have to find here how much pizza left with Soma and how much part she has given 3 upon 7 part to her brother. Okay, so we can write here total pizza कितना है सोमा के पास 1 and how much what he given, so we can write here part of pizza given to her brother. How much what she has given? 3 upon 7. So we can write here 3 upon 7 part. Now tell me, this is total and this part she has given. So how much part pizza left with her? We can write here part of pizza left with Soma. Total pizza minus the part of pizza given to her brother. The total pizza is 1. And how much part again? 3 7. So we subtract. So in this case, when you find the LCM, here 1, this can be written 1 upon 1. The LCM will be 7. 7 divided by 1, so you get 7. And this 1 multiplied by 7 minus this 7 divided by 7, you get 1. 1 multiplied by 3. 3 into 1. Direct also you can solve it. I am showing them with the help of LCM only. 7 1 is 7 minus 3 upon 7. What do we get here? 4 upon 7. So you can write here, hence 4 upon 7 part of pizza left with stone. This is your answer. A rectangular board is 7 hole 1 upon 4 meter long and 2 hole 2 upon 3 meter wide. Find its perimeter. In this question, we have given there is one rectangular board. Suppose this is a board like this board, and the length is 7 hole 1 upon 4 meter. And what is the width? 2 hole 2 upon 3 meter. So first we write what we have in the length and width of a board. And what we want to find out perimeter. So here rectangular. What is rectangular? So which formula we have to use to find its perimeter? We use the formula, the perimeter of a rectangle. First we write what we have given. So we can write here given length of rectangular board. We can write here length of a rectangular board. What is the length of a rectangular board? 7 hole 1 upon 4 meters. We have given a minute, so we can convert into improper. 4 7 is 28 and 1 29. 29 upon 4 meters. And what is the width? So we can write here width of a rectangular board. Width of rectangular board. What is 2 hole 2 upon 3? So we can write here 2 hole 2 upon 3 meter. This also we can convert into improper. 3 2 is 6 and 2 8. 8 upon 3 meter. And what do we have to find? We have to find the perimeter. We have to find the right here. Perimeter of a rectangular board. Question mark. We have to find out. We know the formula. We can write here. So the perimeter of a rectangular board is equal to, you know the formula. What is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into bracket length plus width. We can write here 2 into bracket length plus width. So you can put the value to will come as it is. In place of length, what should we write here? 29 upon 4. So we can write here 29 upon 4. Meter we write outside of the bracket. Plus sign plus width 8 upon 3. So we write here 8 upon 3. And outside we write here meter. Now here first we have to solve the bracket. Okay, this 2 will come as it is. First we have to solve the bracket. So we solve the bracket. This 2 will come as it is in bracket. What is the LCM? Because this is a prime number and this is a composite number. Whenever you get one prime number, others composite number, directly you can multiply. So you get the answer. LCM. What is the LCM? Here 3 4s are 12. We write here 12. So this 12 divided by 4, so you get 3 to 29. Multiply by 3 plus sign to put plus sign. So this 12 divided by 3, so you get 4. So this 8 multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 4. Now 2 will come and it is upon 12 here. 29 into 3. When you multiply 3 9 get 27. Carry 2 3 2 just 6 8. Also you can say 29 3 is 7. Plus sign. 8 4 is 32. 32. Now you plus 2 into 2 7 9 and 3 8 11 upon 12. 2 into this 12 and 2 having common divisor. What is common divisor? 2, so we can cancel by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. Here also we write meter 1196 16 meter. Also you can convert. You convert into mixed fraction. If we convert into mixed fraction, so what we get here? 6 1 is 6. What will left here? Tell me. What will be left here? 5. 5 9. 59. And 6 9 is 54. 6 9 is 54. 50, when you subtract 54 from 59, so what you get here? Tell me what you get here? 5 upon 6 meter. This is your answer. If you get lost, you can write it here. And diameter of rectangular board is 19 whole 5 upon 6 meter. This is your required answer.